I just wanna hold you all night long. Whenever I'm around you, nothing's wrong. I'm hoping that you'll always be around. You got me on a high, I don't wanna come.
What is up, gang? It's your girl Rissa back with another video, and I will be doing a review on this wig by It's a Wig. It's part of their unicorn series, and this style is Sundance. It's a synthetic wig, but you can use heat on it up to 400 degrees. It's very soft. It has the stock card and all of your care instructions. Now this wig is so cute though. It has two combs in the front, it's a side part, and then it has a comb in the back along with the adjustable band. And then it has the ear to ear lace on it, and it's already colored for you, so it'll look kind of natural. And as you can see, when you put it on, it looks like a wig, but we are about to freak it out. Watch this transformation, you guys. So first we're going to go in and we're going to pluck the part, and to open it up a little bit to have it look a little more natural. And then we're just going to pull some strands out little by little. Then we're going to attempt to make some baby hairs, just so it'll kind of give it a little more life. And you guys don't mind how I cut this, because I kind of messed up. It's my first time trying to record and cut baby hairs the opposite direction, but it all worked out. But y'all, this wig is so beautiful. Alrighty, here I'm just gonna kind of pull it half up, half down to see what it looks like, and it looks really cute. Look at that. Alright, then I'm gonna put it on, and then we're going to gel down our baby hairs with the Gorilla Glue. And you guys, don't judge my baby hair. I kind of gave up because I forgot I had foundation on and it was turning the hair brown. So I didn't go full out with the baby hairs because I didn't want to mess my hair up. But y'all get the drift. Looking better already. Alright, then let's brush it out. And like I said, it's supposed to be a side part, but I kind of wanted a middle part. And I'm just showing you guys how, how sometimes you turn the wig, it's uneven, but this is the finished look of it. Curly, half up, half down. But wait a minute, check this out. So I decided to flat iron it because I didn't really like the curls. They were kind of lifeless and I didn't know how to revive them, so This is halfway done.
Say it loud, say it proud, you want it more. We open door, hit the couch, then the floor. I cut it up like a scissor, love galore. She never bored, there's so much shit we can do.
Y'all, it flattering so easy. It's so silky and soft. Yes, I'm excited. Y'all, look at that. Total transformation. I really like this wig. I wore it out, got so many compliments. It looks really cute. Yes, you guys, this wig was like $39.99 at my local beauty supply. So make sure y'all go check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.